How do you define vector-vector addition? Take two vectors of the same size, right? Okay, so what would that mean immediately about matrix-matrix addition? Yep. So let A and B be an element of R m times n. Then the sum of A plus B is defined entry by entry as what? If I took entry ik of the sum A plus B, what would that be equal to? Yeah, great. Yeah, so this would be what? Entry ik of A plus what? Entry ik of B. And what's another way to write that thing? aik plus bik. In other words, how do we define the entries of a matrix sum? Yeah, the sum of the individual entries. So one addition represents, one matrix-matrix addition represents how many scalar-scalar additions? Pretty crazy, right? Okay, and then I should really say for I element of what and k element of what? How many choices do I have on my column row index? M of them. How many choices do I have on my column index? N of them. And then of course we could do the same matrix. Shall we do it? Shall we write it all out? Or no? It's very easy to get me to do that work. Just say the word yes. One, okay, great. Not all people will. Will do work if you say one word, but in this case I will. What's up? Work. Dude, well, you know, the funny thing is some of my students don't know that there are days that I work 10 hours in a row with like a 5-minute break. What's that? Thank you. I like my job, and I love my wife, and she puts up with it. So here we go. So this means A plus B, if I were to look at that, that's A11, A21, all the way down to AM1, A12, A22, all the way down to AM2, and then what? A1N, A2N, all the way down to MN. So that's, now this is M times N. And then I add to that what? Yeah. Thank you. B11, B21, all the way down to B M1, B12, B22, all the way down to B M2, and then I go B1N, B2N, BMN. What do I do when I add those two?
A11 plus B12.
Okay, now what? And then I go all the way down. What's the next one? B12 plus A12, B12. Then what? A22, B22. All the way down to AM2 plus BM2, and then keep going. Now what? 1N plus, you got it, A, and then all the way down to, and that whole thing would be in M by N.